Friends, చూడండి, an electric pole casts a shadow of length 42 meters at a time when a tree 12 meters high casts a shadow of length 16 meters. Find the height of the pole. Height of the pole x అనుకుందాం. అదే ఫిగర్ చూసినట్లయితే x is height of the pole. Next height 12 meters. Height of the tree. Height of the tree యొక్క shadow 16 meters. Pole shadow 42 meters. దగ్గర ఉన్న ఫిగర్ రేషియోలు చూసినట్లయితే x/42 = 12/16 అవుతుంది. Therefore x is equal to 12 into 42/16, that is equal to 63/2, that is equal to 31.5 meters is the height of the pole. So 4 is the right answer. Thank you, friends.